I'm seriously going to take the shot from this bridge because I don't care what exactly we try and get from him. Because he is the 1535 from Bristol Temple Meads going down to Edinburgh. So we'll see.
I'm a monkey's uncle.
Really? You're a monkey's uncle?
Yeah, and you're a gorilla's uncle.
Oh, please. Like that's ever going to happen. Like
No,
that's
wait.
ever going to happen.
No, wait. You're a snail's uncle. Because you're as slow as a snail.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Right, well, we'll see what we get from him, or else I can try. So he should be coming up to signal Golf 13, and then he should be coming up towards the Green Bridge. Oh, yeah, there it is! There it is, I can see it! I can see it coming.
Lower your voice.
Yeah, I can see it coming, I can see it coming. I can see it coming. I can see him coming, I can see him coming.
Going really fast.
He is.
I can't tell.
Yeah. Very nice two-tone, and he's heading off to Newcastle. Sorry, he's heading off to Newcastle.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, not too shabby. And there it goes, he's going back to red.
I think you can see the inside from here.
Hang on, I'm just gonna walking around and going around the corner.